Okay, hello everyone. So, last time we designed this banner, and I promised you that I'm going to be showing you how I printed this banner with my large format printer. So, this is the end product. You can see how good and how sharp and beautiful this came out. Okay, so if you are coming to this channel for the very first time, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so that you can get updates like this. And also, I'm going to be putting my WhatsApp contact on the screen in case after designing you want to print. You can always send your job to us and we are going to give you the best price. Okay, so here on my laptop, okay, this is my printing laptop. You can see that software, Mentop, that app, that is the application for printing on this large format. Okay, Mentop application. All right, so now you are going to go to file. That is after exporting this job, you already have it on your system. So you go to file and then you select new, and then you see where we have size. That is where you are going to put the size of the banner you want to print. Okay, mine is 5 feet by 3 feet, so that is why I put 5 feet. Don't forget to put the FT. That FT after typing out is very important. Then you hit OK. You press the OK button and then you have done your page setup. Okay, this is our page setup that we just did. Now I'm going to go back to file and go to import picture because I want to import the job here. All right, so you select that job wherever you kept it after design, after exporting for print, wherever you kept it. So mine is on the desktop, so I'm going to pick it up from the desktop. All right, so here is the design and then you click OK. So here is the design on my workspace. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to also resize this picture that I imported. So I'm going to click here. So if you look up here, you can see that button, show metric panel. So you click on it. When you click on it, just look down. Just down here, you can see where we have width and height. You also put in the same width and height that you did when you did your page setup. So mine is 5 feet. I'm going to put 5 FT, and then my height is 3 FT. So don't forget the sign FT. You always put it. Okay, once you have done that, just hit enter on your keyboard, and then you have we have done this setup. Now the next thing that is important is to click on this button, show alignment and distribution. This is to fit this image on the page. Okay, so once you do that, you click on the 2 buttons that I just clicked. That is it. You have done that. Now the next thing, you go to file and then you click on print because we want to send this job to the printer. All right, so now you click on these properties. You see this button, properties. So you click on that properties and then you tap on this auto set part paper. Just tap on it for some time and then you click OK. That is it. Then click on print to file. You are good to go. Just save this work wherever you want it to be. So I'm going to save it on the desktop. Give it a file name. Give it anything, the file name you want to give it, and then you click save. Okay, so this work, we are now saving it for printing. So this is basically the steps that you are going to take when you want to send your work for printing on a large format printer. Okay, I hope you are getting everything. And please don't forget, you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and also share. Please share this, like, and also share this so that anyone that is looking for a good information like this can always get it. Okay, so you are going to basically wait for this job to export. You can see it is adding up from 1, it's going to get to 100. That is when it has been exported. Okay. Okay, so you can see it is done exporting. And please, if you have any question, please leave your question on the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. Now after this, the next thing, you will see the mentor print manager. So it's usually installed together. So that print manager, you click on it. I'm going to close this box. So you click on it and it opens like this. Then you go to file, okay, and then you add print job. So you add print job. You know we have exported this job, so we are going to go to where we saved it, which is desktop, and then you pick it up there. That is this banner.prn. Okay, the file extension is .prn. Then you click on it and then you look up on this toolbar. You will see the print, start print icon there. So once you click on it, you are good to go. Okay, so I am just adjusting my paper. Let me set my margin, my paper margin here. Okay. Okay, so this is the margin that I'm going to be working with. Okay, so this is the margin. You can see that. So with this margin, okay, so our job is being printed now. You can see the printing has started and the work is printing out very well.